How to remove myshopify.com URL from your Shopify store. Hey guys, welcome back. So if you want to remove the My Shopify URL, then you have to purchase your own domain or connect your pre-existing domain. So to do that, open up your Shopify store, click on settings on the bottom left, and once you click on settings, you're going to go into the left panel over here, scroll down, and you will see the option of domains. So just click on domains over here, and from here it will display the current domain that you are using. Now this is going to be your free domain, that is usually myshopify.com. Now to be able to remove this, you can click on buy a new domain and purchase your own domain, or if you already have purchased your domain, click on connect a existing domain, enter the domain name that you have, and click on next. Once you do that, you can go on ahead and click on verify connection, and you can copy your CNAME values into your actual domain name that you have purchased. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to remove your My Shopify URL from your Shopify store. If you did find this helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content.